Hello guys, in this video we're gonna go from this to this. Hello guys, welcome back to Michael 3R's DIY. In this video I'm gonna show you how I did a restoration to my daughter's bed, which became now my son's bed. So first of all, I had to replace some of the wood on the headboard. It had a lot of water damage, and you see the backboard was all loose. So, and then second of all, I did some painting. This is is made out of laminated particle board. So I thought it was pretty much impossible to paint laminated wood, but I learned a technique that works with laminate wood, and it actually works very good. So after I finished rebuilding the headboard, we had to prep the, uh, the whole bed, and I do that by slightly sanding with the 320 grit sandpaper, and just go a little bit harder on the new wood, so that way it come out as smooth. And then after sanding the whole bed and all of the parts that are going to be painted, I use some primer, because you need to use primer, and I use the Singer 123 primer for all surfaces, because you need the paint to get it to stick to something, and it won't stick to the laminate. So primer is the way to go, and this primer is perfect for it. So after that, I just started painting. So I used some leftover paint that I used to paint the house, for painting the house. So I have some gray, some light blue, and some darker blue. The darker blue I bought a spray for wood, and I used to semi-gloss paint. So for the white surfaces, I use this 3-inch roller, because it's easier, and the surface come out very smooth, and it works very good. And then I use a regular paintbrush for the smaller surfaces. Last part of the painting is protecting the paint using polyurethane, and this water-based polyurethane, and is crystal clear grade. It's pretty good, and it gives like a little shiny finish. And I did that to everything on the bed. So last step is assembling the bed. already did part most of it, like it's easy to assemble. And this is how everything ends up. Now I'm just sliding the drawer that I did some repair to. So this is how everything came out. Um, I'm very happy with the result. My son is happier, and my daughter won her bed back. It's pretty nice. I also made a little cabinet that I got from work. I made a dresser. So this is how it looks. Very nice. And in the next video, I'm gonna do a closer makeover for his room. And I'm actually gonna do some other stuff to the room. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, make any comment that you wanna suggest, and thank you for watching.